Welcome to Study Loop.
So in the first part of this problem, part A, we will first find heat removed, which is equal to H1 minus H4, which is equal to, we will substitute the values. H1 is 402.49 kilojoule per kg minus H4 is 243.19 kilojoule per kg. So heat removed will be equal to, when you subtract this, we get 159.3 kilojoule per kg, which is the answer of the first part of the question. In the first part, we have to find, the other thing is work input, which is equal to H2 minus H1, and here H2 is equal to 454 minus 402.49. When we solve this, we get work input is equal to 51.51 kilojoule per kg, which is the second answer of the second part of the first question. And in third portion, we have to find COP, and COP is equal to heat removed divided by work input, as heat removed is equal to 159.3 and work input is 51.51 kilojoule per kg. So when we divide this, we get COP in the first part of the question is equal to 3.09. Now we will come toward the second part, part B of this question. And in part B, we first of all find heat removed, which is again equal to H1 minus H4, and here H1 is equal to 399.04 kilojoule per kg minus 249.8 kilojoule per kg. When we solve this, we get heat removed is equal to 149.24 kilojoule per kg. Now we will find work input, which is equal to again H2 minus H1, where H2 is equal to 440.71 minus H1 is 399.04 kilojoule per kg. When we subtract this, we get 41.67 kilojoule per kg is the work input. Now we will find COP, which is equal to heat removed divided by work input. So we'll substitute the values 149.24 kilojoule per kg divided by 41.67 kilojoule per kg. When we solve this, we get COP in this case is equal to 3.58.